Hi everybody, this is Destiny, aka the Shamrock Pixie. I have a couple things I want to do. First thing is I want to announce I posted my first live item on my eBay account. So that is up and going. Yay! I'm going to put a couple more up today. That's my goal. And then my second thing is the reason why I'm making the video is I wanted to do a video on how to get permanent marker off of stuff like this, plastic, and then go from there. So the items that you will need is a dry erase marker, a bottle of alcohol, right there, rubbing alcohol, Q-tips. You need a couple of them because on here there's a lot of markers, so permanent marker. So I'm going to switch the camera over or move it so that you guys can see, and then I will go from there. Oh, and oops, I dropped it. A rag for your bigger areas. So we have permanent marker on here, okay? And we also have it on over here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your dry erase marker. Let's see if I can do this. And actually, I want to get this kind of prepared a little bit. So you take your alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and you get the one side of it with alcohol. Okay, and then set that over to the side. Take your dry erase marker now, and you will take this one here. And you just kind of outline and do where the permanent marker is. You take your rubbing alcohol Q-tip and you wipe it off. And then you take the dry tip, the other side, and you dry it. That way you have it. And be careful too, because you don't want to put too much on there. Usually I would be laying this down to do it so that it didn't run or anything. And then you just keep doing it, taking your dry erase marker over the spots that need to be wiped off, and till it's all gone. Now we'll work on this and come back. So I'm back. Took me a little bit to clean it off, just because I was trying to demonstrate and show you guys how to do it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to me, and hit the little bell so that you can be notified that I will be uploading or going live with new videos. So with that, I would bid you farewell and have an amazing, wonderful day. Oh, and by the way, happy Valentine's Day.